Chicken with raw mango, Bengali style. Kacha Aam Diye Murgi Jhol. Not aam pora chicken, kacha aam. This is our lunch today. Here's the recipe. For the raw mango chicken, I've taken 1 kilo of chicken curry cut. I've taken 1.5 raw mangoes, cut it into pieces like this. I'm adding 6 green chilies and a little bit of water. Now make a paste out of this. Now this is how the paste will look. I'm marinating the chicken with some mustard oil, 6 tablespoons of curd, add some turmeric powder, about a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, ginger paste, garlic paste. I've made a paste of 2 onions. I'm adding that as well. Also some salt to taste. After the first mix, put in the raw mango paste, add some of the mango paste and keep some aside for later. Heat a pan and add some mustard oil. Now add some whole spices, some bay leaves, some cinnamon, some cardamom and some cloves. Add 2 chopped onions. Cook this till the color changes a little bit. When the onion looks like this, add your chicken. Now cook this on medium flame for about 5 minutes. This recipe requires sugar, so add 2 teaspoons of sugar. This will balance out the spices. Also add your balancing salt to taste. Now add a little bit of coriander leaves and the rest of your mango chili paste. Now keep cooking. Now cover this for about 5 minutes and cook it on low. 5 minutes are over. Now keep cooking this till the oil completely separates. Now the oil has separated. Add some hot water because we want some gravy. Give it a good mix. When it comes to a boil, put it on low flame and cook it for about 15-20 minutes till your chicken is cooked. 15 minutes are over and the chicken is ready. It smells delicious. I'm adding a little bit of garam masala powder and some coriander leaves. Do try the recipe. Let me know how you like it. I did try it one day and I really loved it. So I had promised to share it. And here it is. I'm going to switch off the stove, let it rest, and then we shall serve this with hot rice. Chicken with raw mango, Kacha Aam Diye Murgi Jhol. So what is your lunch today?